Everybody, this is Brad with WisconsinGrassroots.net, and you are currently watching tutorial number 15. And in this tutorial, we're going to discuss the administrative features around groups. And this feature is only limited to certain members. You have to be otherwise an administrator, or you have to be a group leader in order to actually access this. So, and I will show you. So Ted Doe, because he set up the group, he is automatically the group administrator. So that's basically whoever set this up. And I actually have one person who is a leader. I just made Brad McPhail as the group leader. And then we have a group newbie. So somebody just joined us, and Zad McPhail has actually joined this group. So we will go to the admin features, and I will show you some of the stuff in there. So all you have to do is if you are a group leader or if you're an administrator, you'll see at the bottom of this list, you should see right under calendar and events a link that says admin features. So we'll just click on that. So it brings up your admin features page, and it's sort of similar to your personal info and privacy page, but there are some slight differences. So you can see in here we've got our general information. You can change that. It's just like what I had shown you earlier. And then if you go down here, I mean, it's exactly similar to what we had before. So if you want to actually put in an image, you can go in here and you can browse and you can upload your image. And then the next thing I will show you is, this is actually pretty important if you want to get some exposure in your community. So we have our group tag system. So if I will be showing you in a future tutorial how to set up how to search out events. But we had actually gone through and we discussed how to find groups. And this is one way for people to find you, is if you set up keywords that associate with your group. So for example, let's say if we want to put some keywords so people can find us. So human rights. Rights. So we're going to put in three different tags, if I can count. So we're gonna you just put a comma between each one that you want to make, and then we're gonna actually create group tags. And if you scroll down here, you're gonna see that all three of them show up. So we have created three tags. So we have 50 tags, so we have to be sort of careful how we utilize those. But so we have 47 tags left. And as you can see, all three of them show up. So for example, maybe we want to take one of them out, so we just click the X. So then if you scroll down, you can see we only have 2 now, and we have 48 available tags. So in here, you can basically put your tags in, and they'll show up underneath, and you can change them as you need be. So one feature that's going to be different that you're going to notice in at the bottom, you're going to see here it says members. So what you can see here is you can see we've got all these categories, these 4 categories, and you're going to see names in them. So it basically divvies up people depending on what the rank is in their correct areas. So so say for example we have Zad McPhail in our group, and we want to bump him up to a group member. We can just click here on this little link next to his name, change and delete, and then we can actually change him inside here. It'll bring up a new menu. So we'll just do this. So we've selected members, and then we'll change the rank, and it brings us back to the admin features page. And as you can see now it shows underneath group members, it shows Zad McPhail. So what if we don't want him in our group anymore? We can actually just go right back here, and it'll tell you remove Zad McPhail from the group. So then we just click remove member. So he is no more. So he is gone. So that's how you change member rankings, and that's how you delete members if you don't want them in your group anymore, or if they're inactive, they're just taking up space. You can remove them that way. So that's the one difference from from your personal settings to this is you basically have a ranking system, and you can remove people. So like I had said, only group administrators and group leaders can actually go to this page. So I guess if you want to assign group leaders, just be warned that there should be a little bit of trust, because they could kind of mess things up. So I will let you go, and that's all you need to really know about the administrative features. And the next thing we'll actually be doing, and I've been kind of holding off on this, is we're going to be discussing the top navigation bar a little bit, and how that functions. So I will let you go.